Look at these prices, man. This is crazy. It was just $4 like a week ago, man. We just got a decent offer here. We got $6.50 for 3.2 miles right here at Jersey Mike's. So I'm gonna go ahead and accept that one. Now that's a good order. 2 items, possibility for a hidden tip. Let's go. We're gonna get this one done. Beginning of the dinner shift right here. Let's go. DoorDash for Rachel. Thank you. DoorDash for Rachel. So we got a Hy-Vee shop and deliver order on this one. I don't mind doing shop and deliver orders because they actually have a decent payout, a lot better than the actual food delivery. So for me, in my market, shop and delivers are just easy money.
Fuel Saver Plus Perks Reward. 4.
Yep, 6'3", thank you. You have a good one. There you go. No problem, you have a good one. So I had to delete this clip because it kept messing up my video. But I finished off the night with a double order, Sonics and Slim Chickens, a stack, and I also was able to squeeze in this Grubhub order, bringing my total to $74.32 for 2 hours, for an hourly total of $37.16 per hour. Don't forget to leave me a like and a subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.